Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about AI and story listening. We are living in an age where technology, especially AI, is advancing faster than ever. But here is something we don't talk about enough. To use AI well, we need clear, thoughtful, powerful words. AI doesn't think for us. It responds to our words. If our words are vague, the answers will be vague. If our ideas are shallow, the output will be shallow. That's why verbalization skills, the ability to express ideas precisely, are more important now than ever before. And this is why AI can never replace teachers. AI can explain, summarize, and even seem to understand. But it cannot sense whether listeners are understanding. It does not see when a student is puzzled, or feel the quiet shift in the classroom when a story truly touches the heart. Only a human teacher can feel that moment and respond with presence, warmth, and care. AI is powerful, but it also makes mistakes. Sometimes it produces information that sounds true but isn't, a phenomenon called AI hallucination. It happens when AI generates facts that don't actually exist. And we can see a similar problem when we ask AI to make up stories for story listening sessions. It seems that the AI-generated stories lack the variety, emotion, and cultural depth we find in folk tales and fairy tales that have stood the test of time. AI can assemble sentences, but it doesn't yet understand what makes a story worth telling. That's why human teachers and human understanding remain essential. If we hand language and thinking over to AI, we risk becoming passive users instead of active thinkers. Real language education must help people build verbal depth, the ability to think, question, and create with words. Through story listening and self-selected reading, we prepare learners for a future where technology and humanity grow side by side. AI can process information, but only people can give words, purpose, feeling, and connection. Even in the age of AI, it is our words that give direction to technology and meaning to progress. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.